and in the Philippines. Thank you to dear Anya Lagman, who's just in her early 20s, who approached me in my office and we had a meeting where she immediately played the Kalinga drum and my indigenous instruments in the Senate office. And I met recently, of course, her parents in Metro Manila, and I am so grateful that they allowed their young daughter, a professional, a very disciplined artist, to come to Antique. The first time of Mr. and Mrs. Mike and Charmaine Lagman and their balikbayan parents who are in their 80s. The mama is 81, the other mother is 70s, and they came all the way here with their family for sharing the talent of not just beauteous, but talented, disciplined artist, Anya Lagman. Thank you so much, and I hope we can do this more. And just an announcement, the University of Antique, and I will ask DepEd too, will do community-based, grassroots, music, etc., and art in every barangay in the whole Antique. Kaya, 590 barangays, Kong AA and I will sponsor, train, fully funded all the music and art scholarships of every Antiqueño child and every Antiqueño youth from our personal family resources. Yes, the NCCA will also support the training and the workshops of the Antiqueño youth in local youth bands. And so, this is the beginning of a quarterly Esplanade concert. Next time, paramihan na kayo ng choir at ng banda, magpalista 1 hour every quarter. But it will not stop us from having a Pandan White Sand concert, from having in the bundok sa Sibalum o sa in every town. And so just let us know, and I will be, together with my brother Kong AA, more than happy to sponsor the concert.